Hi to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges. I'm Brenda Hogsett. Welcome to week 7 of my open category hair restoration for the Skin Games. So I know for week 6 we did Procell microchanneling. I did it for week 6 and week 7, but for week 7 I used the 0.25 millimeter precision tip instead of a 0.50 millimeter. So I went ahead and tested it out, and with the 0.25 millimeter, his scalp did perfectly fine. So let's go ahead and see what we did for this week's treatment. I began our treatment with high frequency at level 6 using neon orange gas, which enhances blood circulation in the scalp, improving oxygen and nutrient delivery to the hair follicles. Next, I applied 50% alcohol to disinfect the scalp for preparation of our microchanneling treatment. Next, I performed hydrodermabrasion. Hydroderm is a wet microdermabrasion to simultaneously exfoliate dead skin cells and extract impurities from the follicles and pores. I used a 60 grit tip paired with an exfoliation solution with lactic acid for exfoliating and moisturizing, rosemary leaf extract for calming, and kelp for soothing. I used a PSI setting of 12 for suction on the scalp, which aids for a better suction to remove dead skin cells and any impurities from the scalp and follicles, and benzalkonium chloride towelettes to disinfect the scalp in preparation for our microchanneling treatment. Next, I performed Procell Therapies microchanneling. Microchanneling uses tiny tips to create thousands of tiny channels in the scalp to stimulate hair growth. Using a 0.25 millimeter precision tip and Procell Therapies Hair System serum with ingredients stem cells and growth factors with cytokines to prevent further hair loss, to activate dormant follicles, and nourishing the follicles in the scalp. I first applied the hair system serum onto the scalp, then microchanneled onto the scalp, and then applied serum to the scalp after microchanneling, performing a stamping motion, not dragging. Applying the serum after microchanneling significantly enhances the treatment's effectiveness by delivering the concentrated active ingredients directly into the newly created microchannels, promoting skin rejuvenation and healing. Last, I utilized the Lumera 1800R red light panel for 10 minutes. At first, for my model to lay on for 5 minutes and then lay under for 5 minutes. This specific wavelength aids in product absorption, ensuring that the active ingredients from our hair system serum penetrate deeply into the scalp for maximum effectiveness. Thank you for joining me for week 7 of the open category hair restoration of the Skin Games. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to the Skin Games and Skin Games judges and everyone watching. We'll see you next week for week 8. Bye!